Hey friends, today we're gonna draw Lilypad from Toy Story 5.
We went and saw Toy Story together as a family in the
Yeah.
movie theater, and it was super funny. It's
really
actually
good.
one of our new favorites.
For sure.
I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was.
Yeah.
It was really good. And what was one of your favorite parts?
I think it's funny how she can like control everything in the house, like the vacuum.
Yeah. Oh, don't give away too
Oh
much.
yeah, my bad.
All right, we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have. Oh, and at the very beginning, we're using our pencil just to draw a rectangle shape first to set up our drawing as a guideline. All right, you ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first use our pencil, and we're drawing a guide shape for the screen of Lilypad. And what shape is it?
A rectangle.
Yeah, we're gonna start over here on the left side. We're gonna draw it pretty close to the left so that we have, so we could draw it really big. So we don't wanna get too close so that we have room for the design, but we're gonna draw a line down and then we're gonna draw a line going across the bottom. And so it should look like a long L. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the top going across and down to match. So we should have this really cool rectangle shape with our pencil. Now our friends can use the pencil for the whole lesson if you want, but that's all we're using it for. And if you have any extra lines, you can switch to your eraser and erase those extra lines so we don't get confused. And you can also pause the video and work on this shape and get it just the way you want it before we move on to the next step.
Okay.
Now let's switch to our marker and we're gonna add the details. We're gonna first start with her little hands and feet that are in the corner of each of the corner of the screen.
Okay.
So let's start here. We're gonna draw this crazy shape. We're gonna come out and then back in. Kind of looks like a upside down U. And we could actually, let's repeat that same shape in every corner because her arms and her hands and her feet are all the same.
Okay.
Now we're gonna draw the toes, and the first toe, it looks like an oval shape, but we're gonna leave it open at the end. And we're gonna draw one on each end of her hand and also her feet. So we're gonna draw those on each side. We're kind of going fast on this part because we're repeating the steps. So if our friends need extra time, you can pause the video. Now in the middle, we're gonna try to create or fit another oval because she has 3 fingers and 3 toes. And we're gonna do that in between both the hands and both feet. Can you already tell?
Yeah.
It's starting to look like her. Then in between each finger, we're gonna draw 2 letter U's to connect them together. And then also for the feet or the toes. Next, let's trace over the pencil line, the guidelines that we drew in between between the hands and the feet. And we don't want to go through the feet or the hands. We just want to use the guidelines in between. So I'm going to turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that makes it a little easier to pull the line directly towards you.
Yeah.
Now let's switch to our eraser and we can erase the pencil lines or guidelines you can still see in the hands and the feet, and also if there's still some on the screen. Now we're switching back to our marker and we're gonna draw her eyes next. We got the screen and now we're ready for the eyes. We're gonna draw 2 big circles, 2 big frog eyes. We're gonna draw and leave a little space, but the middle of the eye is right about here. So we're gonna try to just freehand and practice, and yeah, that's a good size. It's a little big. I think this is probably just right. Don't worry about making your drawings look exactly like ours. Both of our drawings are looking a little different, but they're both turning out awesome because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. All right, should we draw angry eyes or friendly eyes?
Let's do both.
Both. Okay, I'll do the, well, kind of, not really I said angry. Well,
More
I
like
guess I
chill
could.
eyes.
Yeah, more just like the eyelids are down. Oh, they do look a little angry. And then you could just draw the pupils. Just
Okay.
draw smaller circles inside. And then I'm going to draw the pupils just under the eyelids. Yes. And then we're going to draw the highlight, a small circle in the top right of each eye. And then we're going to color in the pupil, but leave that little circle white. This makes the eyes look shiny. Next, let's draw the nose. And your noses will be a bit bigger, but that's okay. Yeah, I love that yours is more stretched. Mine's a little squishy. So we're going to draw a curve in between the eyes, but we don't want to connect. Yes, and then we're going to trace around the eye. And then we're going to stop about here. Let's do the same thing on the other side. We'll trace around the eye and stop in the same spot on the other side. Yes, then we're going to trace around the shape. So we're going to come out like this, around the hand. Oh, we can stop and then do the same thing on this side so it matches. Next, we'll draw a straight line down, following the screen, down to the feet. Next, we'll draw a curve going around the feet and then stopping close to the screen. And then we can connect with a straight line following the screen. Kind of looks like a little border that we drew around the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, now there looks like there's a soft pad on the side for your hands. So we're going to start here and we're going to come out and be a little further away. Do the same on this side. Then we're going to draw the same straight line coming down, but don't connect. We're going to leave a little space here too. And then we'll do the same on this side. And then we're going to follow this around just like we did with the other one. Follow it around to the other side or to the bottom. And same over here. And then we'll connect those two corners together. What is she missing?
Her mouth.
Yeah, let's draw a really happy one. I'm going to draw curving up. And then we can draw her mouth open. We'll draw another curve underneath. And then for her tongue, let's draw a little heart shape. We could draw a letter V and then 2 bumps on top to finish the tongue. And then we can color in the mouth. We did it! We finished drawing Lilypad, except we still need to
Color.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. You could also add whatever screen you want.
Oh, yeah.
You could add the apps or maybe one of the games. We could draw the pond.
Oh, that would be cool.
Yeah. All right, let's speed things up. Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring Lilypad. Do you think she looks better colored in?
Yeah, she looks a lot better colored.
Me too. And I hope our friends will color their drawings too. And it took us some extra time adding the pond, which I think is the home screen with all of the apps.
Yeah, but you could change it so it's different.
Yeah, you could just color it blue, or you could draw yourself like a selfie.
Oh yeah.
I think that's what the nostrils are. We added those too. One is a camera. Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, like you're holding it and take a picture of yourself, and maybe even with your friend.
That'd be awesome. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Lilypad with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and you should check out the movie. It's pretty
You
funny.
should. It's really fun.
We loved it a lot.
Yeah.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.